Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a alpha symbol on your Google Sheet web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an alpha symbol on your Google Sheet web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, there is no, if you are just clicking on insert option, there is no insert symbol or insert special character option here. So you can just use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. Here the keyboard shortcut was you just need to press Alt key with the 224. The second keyboard shortcut was about a Windows key with a dot symbol. Okay, so you just want to press a dot symbol. So first you just need to press Alt key on your keyboard and type 224 on your keyboard and just leave the Alt key which automatically create the alpha symbol and make a space. Just type Alt, just press the Alt and 224, just leave the Alt key. This is how you just create a alpha symbol on your Google Sheet web. The second way, users need to click on the Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard, which actually opens this dialog box, and here you just click on the symbol option, and then you just need to click on the math symbol and just scroll down to the bottom section. You can find the alpha symbol here. You can find the alpha symbol. These are the two ways that you can just insert the alpha symbol. So it's something look like alpha symbol, but this is the show alpha symbol. So you can use this keyboard shortcut as Alt 224. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.